So, are you getting the feeling that he perhaps wants you to chase him? Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value woman secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. In this video, I will share with you 5 reasons why your guy wants you to chase him. And at the end, I will add a bonus one, which I believe is becoming the most common one nowadays. And just before I start with the first one, take my free test. Are you a woman of low value or high value, which you will find down in my video description box below. So without further ado, let's start with the first one. He feels you are out of his league. He may even feel you're better looking than him. He is aware that you make more money than him or you have a higher social status than him. This may make him feel more insecure than usual. And he also may have maturity issues. It would be easier for him to wait for you to do the work and to chase him, as he would not need to take the chance and maybe even get rejected by you. The second one is he is insecure. If he is not strong enough or brave enough to pursue you, it will be exactly the same in a marriage with this man. An insecure man will not put effort to win your heart. These types of men have no courage at all. This is literally the same as above, where I said he is afraid of rejection. So he doesn't have to wonder where he stands with you, as he will make you do all the chasing. The third one is he doesn't have to invest into you. If he is very lazy and he's so used to letting girls chase him, he will continue this behavior as it is so easy. He will not need to court you or invest in anything, such as taking you out or getting to know you better. He will let you do all the chasing and continue this into the relationship. Investing in as little as possible, such as giving you the bare minimum, like breadcrumbing you, playing hot and cold to get you insecure in order for you to continue chase him. Ladies, please make sure to watch my free video, Why You Should Not Chase a Man, which you will find just by following the link right here. The fourth one is it boosts his ego. Most men will get you to chase him because it gives them a solid ego stroke. The more women we talk to and the more we let them chase them, the better he feels about himself. Ladies, remember, very important, men do not fall in love with an ego stroke. This can also happen with an alpha man too, as it can make them feel good from time to time. But the majority are men that are missing something from their life, who are generally very insecure. Ladies, I have a very good games video package for sale, which I will drop down in the video description box below, and I will also pin it as a comment under this video. Here comes the fifth one. He wants convenience and not commitment. He wants easy. There are some women today that are very okay with chasing a man, and ladies, this is a big problem. Girls are desperate, we want validation and do not want to be alone. Men know this and will be drawn to these type of girls so that the girl will end up chasing them. They may chase only one part of what they want from you, let you chase all the other things that you want from him, like commitment, a title, or being in his family life. Now, ladies, here comes a bonus one. He is not self-aware. Now, this type I find the most difficult one. He is not self-aware as a male and believes that men and women are the same. This type of man doesn't see opposite sexes as complementing each other, but instead he pushes everything towards being the same. He will tell you to pursue and chase him and will complain, nag, and throw tantrums if you don't. Now, ladies, the bizarre thing is that if you will do as he tells you and will start to act masculine and will chase him, he will get what? Turned off. Why? Because you're acting masculine by chasing a man, so he will automatically get turned off. Makes sense, right? But then he will say like, oh yeah, I don't know, I just kind of fell out of love with her. But if you will stay feminine and will let him take the lead with pursuing or chasing, he will nag and complain. Ladies, the problem is that there are more and more these types of men spreading in this world, as we are purely taking the message of equality in a misunderstood way, and they do not dig deeper into self-awareness as a man. So ladies, these were my 5 tips on why does your man want to chase you. Please let me know that you enjoyed the bonus one. If you like this video, please press like, share it with the ladies that need it. Don't forget to join Greta's High Value Women School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one group coaching or coaching with a member of my team, please book it through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, and get in touch with me over WhatsApp, as that is where I coach. Thank you for watching. Kisses from Manchester.